So I will just be doing some light garden maintenance here. This is my berry garden. To the right and to the left are some ornamental plants. I didn't have time to deadhead the tree peonies, and they started putting out seed pods. But I have to cut those off so that the plant can concentrate on gathering energy for next year. These are the clary sage, and they are starting to put out the blossoms. And I don't know, I have to either reduce some because the way here is not blocked, or just try to tie it together. So I'm done cleaning up the berry garden, which actually consists of a left and a right area. The left side of the berry garden contains all kinds of perennials and annuals, and I started devoting this area for reds since I always get new plants from friends. Since I don't have a red area in the garden, I started planting them all here. And I have the nostalgia roses, which is kind of red, more, yeah, reddish pink and cream. And I have some magenta colored Bloody Williams, and a red oriental poppy that's almost done. There's still one bloom there. And I also planted some flamenco zinnias that will be blossoming in red and cream. And then I have lavenders in the planters under the sweet williams that are just about to blossom. And I have these tall growing clary sage that blossom in lavender color. I still have a few daisies. This is the view. Clary sage here, and a lot of different kinds of mint that I use for my tea. This one used to be my strawberry bed, and this year I decided to take them out and plant tomatoes here. It's also good for the soil if you change the crops every now and then. And as you can see, the tomatoes are just thriving, and some of them started to put out some flowers now. And behind the tomatoes are my gold raspberries. I also have 3 rhubarb plants over here that doesn't really look so good. It has been very dry, guys. Didn't even rain. They announced several thunderstorms, but nothing came down here. And I have all the plants in drips, but it's just too dry. This one over here is my gooseberry, and it's full of berries again. I only have one. This is like a small tree, but it's loaded with gooseberries. And the blueberries look good this year. It put out a lot of growth, and it's full of berries. All three of them, even down here. I also have them in drips, but I was adding water every now and then because it's just too dry. And according to the weather forecast, we'll probably have rain the next week. One day next week, Saturday. Today's Sunday. And this one is my Josta berries. And also a lot of berries, guys. And it's loaded with vitamin C. So that's really great. Over here, I also have another variety of raspberry. It's an autumn bliss. So I don't see any flowers right now, and they don't look very well. I think they need some iron. So I will be giving them some, and maybe I'll get a few raspberries in autumn. So this is my composter corner. I have two. So I have to cut down the cornflowers. They are now wilted. I have some sweet williams here too. I just want to show you these ones. I have a palm lily in the corner, and it has 4 stalks full of buds. One wilted. It's just too dry. I didn't give it water. It usually doesn't need any, but it's been dry for weeks. But there are 3 more stalks that will be putting out the flowers very soon. There are some bellflowers that I don't even remember planting here. It's beautiful. This one is the blackberry that I planted along the fence here, all the way down to the composter. It is thornless, and it has really good big berries. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like, please subscribe. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye now.